Hello guys, good morning. How are you doing? My name is Stephanie. If today is your first time watching my videos, where have you been? I share interesting content, so please make sure you stick around. Okay, today guys, I want to share with you people something very special. That is how to make spinach rice. But I'm not going to use spinach, I'm going to use water leaf. Guys, the taste of this rice is outstanding. Waterleaf jollof rice or spinach jollof rice. The taste of this rice is so outstanding. I mean, you cannot withstand the taste of this rice, guys. You cannot withstand the taste of this rice. This rice is very healthy, nutritious. I mean, the taste is what I cannot withstand. So guys, please thumbs up this video. Also share with your friends and family. Make sure you stick around so that you always pass by whenever I drop any of my beautiful content. So guys, let's go to the kitchen and prepare this rice. I have onion chopped, I have garlic, I have ginger, I have green spice, and I have my pepper. So I will have to blend all these, as well as I'll also blend this fresh tomato. I have my onion here mixed with crayfish. I'll just put in the onion. In here I have fresh tomato paste. I'll cook this for about 10 minutes because the tomato paste has to be 100% ready before we move on. In here I have garlic, I have ginger, I have green spices. So I will have to transfer all this. I'll put in some salt. I'll add in my crayfish. So right now the rice, the sauce is okay for me to put in my other spices. I don't want it to be too ready because I want this rice to be more of vegetable in nature. So right now I'm going to put in my water leaf, but some people always use spinach to prepare this rice with, but I am going to use my water leaf. That is what my mom taught me how to do. So this is my water leaf. I've washed it earlier. I put it in my sieve to make sure all the water is out from it. I'll have to put my water leaf now. I'll peel my Maggi cubes, I'll add them in, then I'll taste for everything to make sure everything is okay. This rice is quite much, so these are the Maggi cubes I will be using. But the number of Maggi cubes or salt you will use is going to depend on the quantity of rice you will be using. So I just added in the Maggi cubes and I've tasted salt. For now it's okay. So I'm going to put in my fish. With this rice, I would like to use fresh sardine fish because it just gives me joy. It just give me joy. But you can use fish, any kind of fish. You can use meat, you can use chicken, but this is what I am going to use personally for this rice. I love cooking this rice using my sardine fish. I'll allow that to cook a little bit, then I will add in some water. So right now I'm adding in my rice. This is my rice. I washed it earlier and I put it in my sieve. So I'll transfer my rice. So now I'm adding in water. Yeah. Bring more water. Make sure everything combines together. So right now I'll still make sure I taste. I need small salt. Now I'll cover this to cook. Then I'll come back to show you what it looks like. Check the pot. Wow, this is how it looks. And the water is dry, but I don't think it's ready, so I will have to taste and then add in more water. I didn't say you should put it. Oh, okay. Give me another cup of water. Just 1 cup. So I'll just allow this to get dry and then the rice will be ready. So we'll come back and check later. Good. Oosh, the aroma. It's ready. Rice is ready. Ready. The rice is ready, but I'll still allow it for the water to get dry. I'll still allow it to get dry for a few minutes. Let me taste. So after about 5 minutes or 3 minutes, I'll put it down. So it's time to put it down. I'll have to dish mine. So see you on the dining table. Wow. I can't withstand the taste. I can't withstand the aroma of this rice. Guys, the aroma, the taste is killing me.